Mthuswayini maqhamukathina.
Uyisakele tu. Usakhele ngoku. Sinikele kuwe Zulu. Sinikele kuwe Zulu.
Uthembele kuZulu.
Sithembele kuZulu ngoku. Sithembele kuZulu ngoku. uZulu akathengisa amakhosi athengisa.
Awusuka.
Sithembele kuwe.
Yini wenze njani?
Wasiyangazana ngikhonje masubukweni. Sithanda abandluni. Sithi uXhosa
Zulu.
Hayi. Sithi makubanjwane.
Hayi suka.
Nation ngayiphakamisela mfowethu.
Yeah.
Ithe mayithi nje ithi qathatha the Zulu Nation. Kuvele kwacaca ukuthi konakela. Siyakhela ngempela ke manje.
Ayisho ngoZulu.
Siyabonga bafowethu siyabonga. Sibonga siqedi. Sapareni sinikeze yona. Kwavele kwanuka isihlandani nathi ngiyathilika nje. Thilika kwenu kwavele kwanuka isihlandani. Siyabonga bafowethu. Sibonga siqedi.
Awumsuke.
Kophela inhlavu sikhona siwuZulu.
Nethembeni.
Kophela inhlavu khona umvelinqanga.
Hayi.
Khona umvelinqanga wethu.
Njengamanje amaphoyisa ayapha ayangaphakathi noma azoba ngaphandle.
Asiwazi ukuthi ayaphi. Asiwadingi.
Kwanuka Eastern Cape. Kwanuka.
Hlangana Zulu.
Bagcola umoya eswini basuza umswane. Bagcola umoya eswini basuza umswane kwanuka umswane.
Yophela inhlavu.
Hayi ngiyantshela bafana.
Yophela inhlavu. Ela uZulu. Hlangana mntomnyama. Hlangana Zulu.
Awumase kunje siyosafanele siyohlangana umuntu omnyama.
Hayi suka khumbuka isiqoko umakarabha amathaqonsele entshebeni. Yilepho.
Hlanganani izingane
Siyaqandula manje.
Hayi.
Siyaqandula. Today's episode esiqandula is brought to you by Kiwono Belly Plus Tea. Yitiye lokuqeda umkhaba. Njema ngibuka lapha abonja icon. Kule insizwa lezi lapha ayinokumswani. Khona okushodayo la. Lezi zokuthiwa ziyanuka, mthiwa kuyanuka fika uZulu. Khona okushodayo amadoda imhlaba nako. Sibonge kubafowethu, sibonga ko-King Zoso ngokusilethela lezi ndaba. Sibonge kumfokandaba lapha uphakela umthakathi. Sibonge kumengameli wamabhinca, the Bhinca Nation.
Utatundive
mchunu kaloku umacingwana.
Akusesiyona manje babungizwe phela mase ngale use utatundive. Awu siyabonga tatundive.
Hey, siyathetha ngoku, sicela niphulaphule. Sise Eastern Cape manje, sise East London.
Kodwa singabakhohlwa kanjani abantu abakhulu okuyibona bona
abavusi
benyamazane.
March and March.
Hayi.
Jacinta Mangobese, Mrs. Zuma.
Sithulela isigqoko.
Ngaphandle wenu ngaba kukho lokho. Suka.
Hayi mkhulu umsebenzeni wenzile. Futhi ningakhathali bafo. Oyobopha lo yamama. Uyofisa usuka zalwa ngalo ukuthi abuyele emuva ngekhanda aphuma ngalo la aphuma khona.
Ngizotolika.
She
will regret the day in which she was born or he was born. And then he or she will go back
to sender.
Back to his sender.
Ningalokothi intintelo yamfazi loyaya. Ningamuthinti uJesinta. Namthinta uJesinta. Ningasho ukuthi asho.
Nithinta umuntu omnyama.
Namthinta uJesinta.
Sihlangana wethu.
Hey.
Hlangana wethu. hlangana wethu ayibo liphi Nigerian man
Ujesi
Suka.
Mkhwanazi.
hayibo
Stay away from those two.
uyeza Mkhwanazi hey sithi konakele
Konakele.
hey wafika uZulu
Hayi. Kwafika uZulu kwangathi ufike noPetlom, uZulu ufike noPetlom wase KZN, wafika wachatha amaXhosa laphana afika wachatha ngemeyile enopetrol. Hey badinwa abantu.
hlangana mntomnyama hlangana Zulu
Hey badinwa abantu. Kwangathi sekuvuka ukudinwa kweminyaka. Hey bo into esibona lapha aphelele lokhu kwanamhlanje lokhu kudinwa okufunakalayo la kuthina every single day. Guys, lento yokuthi we are not angry enough as South Africans mayiphele. We are angry enough and we must show it ukuthi we are angry enough. Namhlanje that was shown ukuthi we are angry enough.
angithi we are hungry angithi we are hungry if you are hungry you must be angry yeah that is the anger esiyifunayo ke yokuhlangana abantu abamnyama no sina we are a peace loving nation
Exactly.
wonke umuntu uyazi lokho sinobuntu lethwa kuthiwa ubuntu but iproblem ukuthi siyabathatha abantu sibafukamele sibaphathe kahle bese sijikele esiswini njengotshwala kuthiwa inyoka noma ungayithatha le uyikhulise kodwa kusala inyoka egcineni izokuvezela ukuthi mina ngiyinyoka izokuluma ungalithatha le bhubesi ulithathe lisayikhaphu barika suthu ketawana uyingetawana uyikliye monana kodwa mayisifika la izokhula ikutshengisa mina ngiyibhubesi ibisiyakuluma ke kunjalo ke lento abayenzayo ke manje hospitality sibenayo kubona yona ndlela abasibonga ngayo
we were very lenient to you guys. Let me just say this, and I want to say it in English so that izofika kubaningazi bayo.
thumela ba
Which other country have you guys seen that allows foreigners to come into the country with a tourist visa and start a business? With a tourist visa or whatever, you start a business, we keep quiet. In fact, we even support that business. You understand? On top of that, you are born good. Oh no, they are very friendly. They are allowing us to start our business. Let's go deeper. Let's sell them drugs. You sell our kids drugs. Still, we keep quiet and we try to deal with you guys in a fair way, in a civilized way. And then you guys thinking, these are fools. These are fools. And to be honest, we were acting like fools for us to allow you guys to do all those things. You started prostituting our girls. We kept quiet and we tried to deal with you guys in a civilized way. And your people also kept quiet. Your people from your countries did not condemn you guys, did not tell you to stop. They kept quiet. They didn't tell you what you are doing is wrong. Right? You kept doing it over and over. You came to social media. You told us you are fools. You told us you are not special. Our country has nothing special. And yes, you are here in our country. And you are claiming there's nothing special about South Africa. We kept quiet. You went to social media and insulted us. We kept quiet. You took our sisters and turned them into Jolofinas. And you married them so that you can get citizenships. We kept quiet. You impregnated our sisters and went back to your countries, to your actual wives, and collected your wives and came with them here and said they were your cousins to your wives in South Africa. We kept quiet. It's the last straw. We are done. We are tired. You have done it all and we kept quiet. And your brothers and sisters from your own countries did not tell you guys that you are wrong. They did not try and correct you. But today they are busy telling us what we are doing is wrong. Kanjani, why are you telling us now that we are acting ukuthi we are wrong? Why you did not tell your brothers and sisters that are here in South Africa that what they are doing is wrong? Selling us drugs, prostituting our girls, doing human trafficking, all those things. Why you did not tell them they are wrong? Why are you telling us now that we are wrong? We are not wrong. This is a start. We are still going far. We are tired.
Tell me one country in the world which says Nigerians are the peace-loving people.
Not even one.
Tell me
Each
one
and
country.
every country does not like Nigeria.
Wherever the Nigerians go, they go and mess up that country.
Yes.
In their neighbors, Ghana,
They are
You
also
don't like
fed
them.
up with them.
they don't like them. Their neighbors, Ghana, they went to Ghana and then they started to make this thing of wanting to crown their own king, the Igbo king there. And then what did the Ghanaians do? They did exactly what we are doing now.
And the worst thing, the fact that you are going to social media and insult. How can you go on social media and insult South Africans and you are staying in South Africa and you think South Africans will keep quiet? Why would you think? Because what you did by appointing your Igbo, that was an insult. That was the last straw. You guys thought, these people are very friendly and what? Like appointing your king in our kingdom. What is that?
Awumeke. Uyabona ke manje le ndaba esilungu mina ke isilungu angisiyonto yami. Angizwani naso nje. Awusho ke mina ngizoyitolika nithi amaZulu, this Zulu seed you want to yekabani le English. Mina ngikhuluma isiZulu ke mangicela ningizwe kahle ke. Ngama 70s from late 60s 70s kwaba khona kwa discover oil lapha eNigeria. Nigeria yeba one of the wealthiest countries because of oil. Ghanaians went there and flooded Nigeria. Kwenzakalani after that? When sekwenzeka seqhuma ipolitiki yakhona ke sekuncipha ke uoil kuncipha. What did they do? They chased away the Ghanaians. They chased away the Ghanaians. There was those big bags. Thought nyawazi leli khoma lezi izikoti lezi ezayiphathwa engalezekhathi. Okhumbule ekhaya. Yes, okhumbule ekhaya. Those bags were called Ghanaians must go. Something like that. Ghana must go. Something like that. But Ghanaians were chased away by the Nigerians. Same Nigerians which are flooding all the countries in the world. Njengamanje. And then Mamefia Lapo, they are claiming this.
They destroy.
Hey, and then they are destroying now.
Why can't you come into a country and be peaceful and be right? Why Melufiko destroy? In their mission, they are even saying it's to destroy. So you think we're just going to sit and look at you while you're destroying our country? No, you are telling us you came here to destroy. We will teach you how to destroy a human being. Because you're the ones who started telling us that you are here to destroy us. So as far as uhlala sinbuke phela thina asona amalokhuzeni laba ebangani ba Trump laphana abatshela emehlweni ukuthi sizo destroy bahlala bamlindi ukuthi azo destroy. We're not going to do that.
We madoda. South Africa siliwile izimpi eziningi kakhulu. We fought many battles, many wars. Salwa siwuZulu. Sakhonkarisha izizwe eziningi kabi. So salwa namangisa wahlula thina siwuZulu. Salwa bephethe ibhamu. Siza kanje sithi kuyophela inhlamvu siwuZulu. Ebe yini ka Nigeria? Uyabona lento if there's any way to separate Ghanaians from Nigerians. Ngabe ngithi Ghanaians one side, Nigeria one side. Ghanaians one side, Nigeria one side, because these are two different people. These people are neighbors, but I don't know how Ghanaians are surviving next to Nigeria because
they are busy calling on them. You must come and help us.
Ghanaians.
Why Ghanaians are quiet?
I've never heard a Ghanaian being on the wrong side of the law here in South Africa. I've never even read on the news about that thing. But Nigerian everywhere in the world, South Africa, Philippines, there are even countries which a Nigerian is not allowed. Instead, they are coming to South Africa and then they take this South African passport and they went to other countries so that they can be seen as South African in those countries, because those countries cannot differentiate. But we can differentiate. We know that the Nigerian. If you just open your mouth and we say it's a Nigerian, you know this is a Nigerian. Guys, you've insulted us enough on social media. Now is the payback time. Now we must see who is the real man. You've been calling us cowards and all these things, calling us lazy, everything. But today,
in our own country. Like,
but now,
where do you get the audacity?
And you know what? It's the other people who are on social media disrespecting us. But when we are on the streets, the ones that did not do nothing, they will suffer for you. Suffer.
You must know that. Don't come on social media and ask us, what did that guy do? Why are they hitting him? Why are they are beating him because of you.
izono zakho.
Ufela
Yes,
izono zakho
ufela
na you
izono
come
zakho.
on social media weyise udelela usithuku wenze yonke into and you hide behind that profile of yours. The one that is on the street will suffer for you.
Into engiqeda kakhulu. We've been insulted by Nigerians who are not even here in South Africa.
Exactly.
Nigerians who are far away claiming that I've been to South Africa and those guys are xenophobic and what they are lazy. Hey, aibo.
And the ones that are here, they will suffer for you.
Hey, Sanku.
They will pay the price. While you are on the social media, behind that profile, you insult us, and then the one that is on the street will be paying the price for whatever you are saying here on social media. You just need to know that. Stop asking us what did they do. They didn't do anything. It was because of you.
Yeah, imako. Lalandla. Nina nifitwa. Abelungu telling you that these South African guys are lazy and what. And then after that, Nina senya hama numpepereza. Without even knowing what is happening here in South Africa.
Another thing that they're doing on social media, they create profiles and name them with our Zulu names.
Fake profiles.
And they are busy talking there. If there's a Trump video, they will say, Trump, come to South Africa. Please come to South Africa. We know those are not South Africans. Those are Nigerians. All those comments, some of them, they are insulting Zulu. And then they're trying for us, that is a Zulu, another
Exactly.
Zulu. So guys, you need to be careful with my social media. They are naming themselves with Amagama Amazulu, and they say all sorts of things. They say, we need a white to take back the country. There's no such. We could never say that Tina is Amazulu.
Hey, these scammers.
It's the Nigerians. So they are acting as if they are South Africans.
These
you
scammers.
Need to be careful of
Eba
them.
poet.
Call them out, in fact.
Angela me. I've heard these guys telling us that hey, they are here in South Africa to work. What kind of work? What kind of job they are doing here in South Africa? What kind of job? Selling drugs?
Exactly.
Scamming people? That is the kind of job you're telling us about, that you are not lazy. Selling people, prostitution, that is what you are telling us about, you are not lazy. I've seen when bebebeka lenkosi yabo le nganikwane lenkosi bebebeka le nganikwane yabe inkosi ama Igbo laphana eEast London. There were guys there. Which was written doctor. No, this is a fake doctor. We know that.
It might be a doctor from Nigerians. We have a lot of doctors from foreigners.
No. La. A pure doctor, who doctor ngempela or achieve a doctorate on merit. Ngeke ubezobakhuza ukuthi this is against the law what you are doing here. But seeing someone being named a doctor, laphayana ubeka inkosi ehlathini, that says a lot. What kind of a doctor does not know, who does not know the laws? Because if you are an abiding citizen, or maybe you come from another country, you must be clear with the laws of that country. Especially if someone has those qualifications to be regarded as a doctor. Having a doctorate means a lot. But seeing a doctor crowning a king in a foreign country, what kind of a king is that? And you are even insulting your own king back home. Because I don't think the king back home will like that. Because that is an insult. What kind of kings have been crowned in every country without even having a blood of being a king or something?
A king is born.
Hey, Bobo. You cannot just give a drug dealer a crown and then crown him a king. Which means he's a kingpin. That is a kingpin. Drug kingpin.
You went to the last straw with this one.
Tina, we were waiting for you to come and do this nonsense here in KZN.
South Africans are very, very proud of their background. Ba proud ngamasiko abo. Ba proud ngokuthi bavela kuphi. And this is one of the things you don't play with. Awudlali nje ngobukhosi bama South Africans. Ingakho ngithi siniyekile nenza konke lokunye ama prostitutes, drugs and not.
But now, now nithinte impande zethu, nithinte ama roots ethu.
And anikhuzana.
That is the problem. Anikhuzani bese ke masesukuma sima ngenyawo sithi ekhanda bese sifuna ukukhuluma ke xenophobia.
We will show you xenophobia.
Sizozonqeda futhi.
You will show. And what happened today? We march in Eastern Cape. There was apparently a Nigerian that came in and stabbed one of the marchers.
What do you call that?
Now, what came after that? It was a mess. But what they will do, they will start blaming people who say abona le march and then they will not go back to what happened. Yini edala ukuthi kushiswe lezi imoto ezishisiwe zama foreigner. It's because of that one stupid person who decided ukuthi azolimaza umuntu ohamba kwimarch. Sazoyinywa.
And then if you can still remember ukuthi lento yaqalaphi. This anger started when we were having a march, a point, Lategwini. There was a march which we were involved in, Lategwini, where a foreign national, Paul Dilokuza, watela, amantombazana ngopende. That thing is what sparked Leto Namhlanje. Because we wanted you to provoke us again so that we can show you. And then no one ilima, nihamba nokwazi umuntu. Kone machine ukutshengisa ukuthi impela la anikho yomkopho nilima ngempela.
And you want us to be lenient. You like, guys, please tell me in your own countries if what the Nigerians are doing in South Africa they are doing in your own country. When nina yazi nina nilima nina ngempela kubonakala ngokuthi you are allowing a graping event to take place in your country. What kind of a country is that? What kind of stupidity is that you are allowing an event and you even calling it an event of graping girls? You even tell girls to go and lock themselves in their house. They mustn't come out because it's a graping event. And you are allowing it. It's been taking place for how many years? And you guys are not taking action against it. And now you are trying to do the same thing like we as a country. Never ninganya.
Lalanda. We've been fighting for this country for a long time. Our ancestors died fighting for this country.
For us.
Our kings
for South
died
Africans,
fighting for
Africans.
this country.
Not for Africans. For South Africans. We must get that straight. We fought for freedom for South Africans, not for Africans. None in your own countries fights for your own freedom. Don't come here and complain and fight in our country. Why not take that same energy and put it in your own country and fight for your own country?
No, what you know is jealousy. Into eniyaziyo nje umona ama-Nigerian being jealous of South Africans, but yet you are here in South Africa. But you are having a lot of jealous telling that, hey, these things were built by white. Hey, this what? Hey, Nina. Where were you when the whites were building these things?
Did you see them?
Did you see them? Did you see white building these things? Did you see whites building 2010 World Cup stadiums?
Why don't you whites in Nigeria?
Yes. Go prepare these whites and then take them to Nigeria. Because we are tired of them here.
Because you like whites so much. You are saying they must claim back South Africa. Why don't you take the whites and go with them to Nigeria? Then they must take over Nigeria. Why? And I do not understand this part. There is nothing special about South Africa.
Hey.
Why are you here?
Why are you here in the first place?
What are you doing here?
Why are you here in the first place?
Have you ever seen a person staying in a toilet? Have you ever met a person that stays in a toilet? No, because there's nothing special about a toilet. Then why are you staying in South Africa when there's nothing special about South Africa?
Sinamaphara namhlanje.
Because of
Nigerians.
Of you.
Sinama-prostitutes agcwele lapha point because of you.
We have our sisters missing till today. They've never been found because of you.
Lalala, a point. Abuja namhlanje because of our Nigerians. A point that is where prostitutes bagcwele imigwaqo behlala benyuka point because of these drugs and these Nigerians. Now you want to go to Eastern Cape, you are going to Eastern Cape and then you are crowning your king there. Niyazi ukuthi ukuba king ulwa kanzima kanjani ukuthi ube king. Nakhona ulwela indawo yakho ukuthi ube king endaweni yakho. Awuhambi uyobeka nje umhlathi kanina uthi king. I
saw a video of this girl.
Mantombazana.
It's a club
Angithandi, man.
I don't know, she was thinking she was cute. I don't know, she thought she was being cute. When the video, I just saw this hunk guy and I was into him, only to find out he's not a Nigerian. I was so disappointed. Like, what the fuck? Like, seriously. Serious one Nina guys. Like, are you not seeing these videos? Bekhuluma bethi bafuna ukuniuza. Bafuna ukutshala imbewu yabo le South Africa. Bafuna ukuthi one day one of their kids baba ma presidents. So they are channeling their mbewus in you. Are you not seeing these videos? Do you not care what they are using you guys? Anandaba nje nalokhu siba news.
Yabona osisi bethu.
Okay.
Hayi basiphoqa.
Hayi. Nayo
Hayi basiphoqa.
Le ishade nayo iSouth African lo iBooking.
Yeah?
Lokhu le king yabo.
South African ya?
Inxoso Intombazana inxoso eshade nayo.
Hayi asivale. Hayi. Bye bye.
Hayi bafethu
Hayi siyashibilika.
Yekanje ukusidayisa please yekanje.
Abafowethu. Hayi nesiphoqa man.
Ukusidayisa.
Bye bye. Hayi so.